This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we're making steamed Chinese cabbage rolls. First, let's prepare the Chinese cabbage. Cut off the end of the cabbage. So that you can easily remove the leaves. Remove the leaves gently, making sure that you do not damage them. Once you have removed most of the leaves, wash them. Now, when you're washing the leaves, focus on the bottom of the stem, as this is where most of the soil and dirt will be. Once you have washed them, bring some water to a boil. When the water is boiling, blanch the leaves. Put the leaves in the boiling water for about 1 to 2 minutes till the stems are tender. Once they are tender, remove and put them in a bowl of cold water. This is to stop the cooking process and help the leaves retain its color. Next, for the minced pork. I have here some minced pork. Marinate the pork with light soy sauce, oyster sauce, Chinese cooking wine, cornstarch. Also add in the white part of a chopped up spring onion. Give all this a very good mix till all the liquid has been absorbed. You can tell that the liquid has been absorbed when there are no longer any liquid at the bottom of the bowl. Once we have marinated the minced pork, drain the cabbage leaves well. Take one cabbage leaf at a time and put some minced pork onto it. Roll it up and put it onto a steaming dish. Then, steam it for about 7 to 8 minutes over low heat. Meanwhile, let's make the sauce. Combine light soy sauce, oil, sugar, water, and a dash of pepper. Stir vigorously till all the sugar has dissolved. To help make the sugar dissolve faster, you can either bring it to a gentle boil or heat it up in a microwave for a while, then continue to stir. After 7 to 8 minutes, remove the cabbage rolls. You'll find a lot of water at the bottom of the plate. So, remove each cabbage roll and place it onto a serving plate. Now, give the sauce a good mix and pour it all over the cabbage roll. And we are done. This is steamed Chinese cabbage rolls.